Quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation. General form. This is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to R, real number, and a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now suppose we have to find the solution of this quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Or we can say the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now take common a. So this will become a x square plus b upon a multiplied by x plus c by a equal to 0. Now a is not equal to 0, so we can write x square plus b by a multiplied by x plus c by a equal to 0, because a is not equal to 0. So we can write x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. Now we will make the perfect square of this quadratic equation. X square plus b by a multiplied by x plus c by a equal to 0. Now we can write x square. We can also write like this, twice multiplied by b upon 2a multiplied by x plus c by a equal to 0. Again it will make x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. So x square plus twice b upon 2a multiplied by x plus, we will add b upon 2a whole square and subtract b upon 2a whole square plus c by a in this equation. Add b by 2a ka whole square minus b by 2a whole square. See, this will again becomes x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Now this will form, this is x square plus 2b by a into x plus b by 2a ka whole square. Or we can say this is the identity x plus y whole square. So we can write x plus b upon 2a whole square minus b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a equal to 0, or x plus b upon 2a whole square, this is equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a. X plus b by 2a ka whole square equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a. X plus b upon 2a whole square, this is equal to, take LCM 4a square, this will become b square minus 4ac in the numerator. So x plus b by 2a ka whole square equal to, this is d. D is discriminant, we will discuss later. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant. Discriminant, which decides the roots of the equation. So here b square minus 4ac is written as d. So take squaring root both, square root, taking square root both sides, square root. So this will become x plus b by 2a equal to plus minus under root d, and the square root of 4a square is 2a. So x equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus under root d upon 2a, or we can say x equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now next topic, roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. Here we will discuss about the nature of roots. Nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have already discussed a, b, c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0. Now we are taking first case when the roots are real and equal. When the roots are real and equal. Now when the roots are real and equal, then the discriminant d is b square minus 4ac, and it will decide all the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So when the roots are real and equal, then d will be equal to 0, or we can say b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So when roots are real and equal, then d will be equal to 0. Now we will take some examples for this. First example, find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus x plus k equal to 0 will have equal roots. Now solution for this, quadratic equation is 2x square plus x plus k equal to 0. Now if we compare by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a will be equal to 2, b will be equal to 1, and c equal to k. Now for the roots real and equal, d will be equal to 0, or we can say b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Now b is 1, so 1 whole square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by k will be equal to 0, or 1 minus 8k equal to 0, or minus 8k equal to minus 1. Therefore k will be equal to 1 by 8. So here the value of k will be 1 by 8. Now for this, the roots of this equation 2x square plus x plus k will be equal to 0 will have real and equal. Now we will take some other example. Find the value of k. Again, find the value of k for which the quadratic equation k plus 1 multiplied by x square minus twice multiplied by 3k plus 1 multiplied by x plus 8k plus 1 equal to 0 have real and equal roots. Now solution. Now equation is k plus 1 multiplied by x square minus twice 3k plus 1 multiplied by x plus 8k plus 1 equal to 0. Now suppose if we compare by the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a will be equal to k plus 1, b will be equal to minus twice multiplied by 3k plus 1 and c will be equal to 8k plus 1. Now for the real and equal roots, d will be equal to 0. D is b square minus 4ac, so b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Now minus 2 3k plus 1 का whole square, b is minus 2 3k plus 1 whole square minus 4 multiplied by a is k plus 1 and c is 8k plus 1. So this will be equal to 0. So minus 2 का whole square is 4, 3k plus 1 whole square. So minus 4. Now we will multiply k plus 1 into 8k plus 1. So this will be k multiplied by 8k square plus k plus 8k plus 1 equal to 0. Now 4 is common from both the terms, so we can also write 3k plus 1 whole square minus 8k square plus 9k plus 1 equal to 0. Now expanding 3k plus 1 का whole square, this will become 9k square plus 6k plus 1 minus 8k square plus 9k plus 1 equal to 0. So this will give, when solving these two equations, 9k square minus 8k square is k square, 6k minus 9k is minus 3k, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So k square minus 3k equal to 0. So k is common, k minus 3 equal to 0. So this will give k equal to 0 or k equal to 3. So when k equal to 0 or k equal to 3, then this equation will give the roots real and equal. Now we will take another example on roots are real and equal. This is if the roots of the equation b minus c x square plus c minus a multiplied by x plus a minus b equal to 0 are equal, then prove that to be equal to a plus c. Now it is given that the roots are real and equal. Equation is b minus c x square plus c minus a multiplied by x plus a minus b equal to 0. Now roots are equal, roots are real and equal, roots are real and equal. So c minus a whole square minus 4 times of b minus c multiplied by a minus b will be equal to 0. C minus a whole square minus 4b minus c multiplied by a minus b will be equal to 0. Now c minus a whole square is c square plus a square minus twice ac minus 4 times of multiply b minus c and a minus b, so it will become ba minus b square minus ca plus bc. This will be equal to 0. So again c square plus a square minus twice ac minus 4ab plus 4b square plus 4ac minus 4bc equal to 0. Now here c square plus a square minus 2ac and here it is 4ac. So this will become c square plus a square minus 2ac plus 4ac will become 2ac and minus 4ab plus 4b square or minus 4bc. This will be equal to 0. So we can write c plus a whole square plus 4b square can be written as 2b whole square, and here minus 4b is common, so it will become a plus c equal to 0. Or we can also write c plus a whole square plus 2b whole square minus twice multiplied by 2b multiplied by a plus c equal to 0. Therefore it will become c plus a minus 2b whole square equal to 0, or c plus a minus 2b equal to 0, or c plus a equal to 2b. So this will be the proof. 2b equal to a plus c. We have to prove 2b equal to a plus c. So here c plus a equal to 2b. Or we can say a, b and c are in AP. If it will ask that prove that a, b, c are in AP, then we will also have to prove 2b equal to a plus c. So we can also write, it means a, b, c are in AP is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Now these are the some of the examples on roots are real and equal. Now second case, when roots are real and distinct. When roots are real and distinct. If the roots are real and distinct, then the discriminant will be greater than 0. If discriminant will be greater than 0, then it will give roots real and distinct. We are taking some of the examples on roots real and distinct. For example, find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation 4x square minus 3kx plus 1 equal to 0 has real and distinct roots. Now solution for this: 4x square minus 3kx plus 1 equal to 0. So here a equal to 4, b equal to minus 3k and c equal to 1. Now for the real and distinct roots, d will be greater than 0, or we can say minus 3k whole square minus 4, a is 4 and c is 1 equal to greater than 0. This will be greater than 0. 9k square minus 16 will be greater than 0. We can also write 3k plus 4 multiplied by 3k minus 4 will be greater than 0. Now 3k plus 4 is greater than 0, 3k minus 4 is greater than 0. If this have to be positive. Now case first, it will be possible only when 3k plus 4 is greater than 0 and 3k minus 4 is greater than 0. So by solving it will give k is greater than minus 4 by 3 and k is greater than 4 by 3. It means this will become k will be greater than 4 by 3. Now case second, either 3k plus 4 is less than 0 and 3k minus 4 is less than 0. Then this will be positive. So this will give k is less than minus 4 by 3 and k is less than 4 by 3. So this will give k is less than minus 4 by 3. Therefore, for this quadratic equation will have real and distinct roots, then k must be less than minus 4 by 3 or k will be greater than 4 by 3. Then this quadratic equation will have real and distinct roots.